processing, sales, everything. I'm handling this Abu Dhabi branch. Okay, so we are here from the last 28 to 29 years. We established in 1986. Okay, and the owner of the company is originally from Canada. We have 5 to 6 active branches. Actually, we are covering whole UAE. We have office in Dera, that is our head office. Then very huge big office in Jumeirah Lake Towers, then Sharjah, Fujairah, Alain, and this Abu Dhabi branch. The consultant like me, we are visiting out of UAE as well, Hong Kong, Singapore, Russia, Bahrain, Qatar, Saudi Arabia as well. So our 45% of clients stays out of UAE because we just need the scan copies. We don't need any original documents from your side. Okay, if you will if you will sign the contract with this respective organization, what kind of services you will get, I will interact first regarding this. The most complicated and sophisticated procedure we will do for you is launching your profile under the specific immigration department, so that you might receive your PR visa within 6 to 9 months only, because now the immigration department of Canada is more systematic and professional, and the program is very much fast track. How actually immigration works? Actually, immigration works in a straightforward manner, that is quota system. Quota means how many immigrants any particular country is inviting. So if quota is open from any country, you can start your application. The applicants, the people like you who are willing to immigrate from one place to another. If quota is closed, we need to wait for the new quota and for the new program. But now, the immigration department has closed down the previous program and came up with a new program, that is Express Entry. In the Express Entry, by the name itself, you can judge it's a fast track program. So once we will launch your profile under the immigration department, we will get the response within just 6 to 9 months from the Canadian government side. Another benefit of this Express Entry. Previously, we have list of skilled workers belongs to top level, middle level and upper middle level. Doctors, nurses, managers, engineers, even they don't want senior executives, assistant managers. So that program has created a huge scarcity and backlog of human resource, because the company belongs the employees, the skilled workers for different sections and for different profiles. So now they came up with this new program, and we don't have any skilled workers list. It's an open job category program now. So now anyone can apply from different educational backgrounds and respective job profiles. Other benefit of this Express Entry is, previously, once we are launching your profile is accessible in the eyes of federal government only. Now, your profile is accessible in the eyes of federal government, provinces and direct Canadian companies and recruiters. So if any Canadian company likes your profile, they will give you job offer. One should be in the pool of Express Entry. If any province like your profile, they will give you nomination to work in that respective particular province, at least for 1 year, then after you can move to any part of the country. Last one, federal government. So if federal government likes your profile, they will give you direct invitation to work in Canada. Now, the Canadian government has given some criteria as well, that's why you filled your assessment form. So at least we can analyze and judge you guys are eligible or not. So these are, you have to be in the age bracket of 18 to 44. Paid job experience is starting from at least 1 year. Education starting from high school, and the best result of your IELTS. Basically, we have two types of IELTS, academic and general. But the Canadian Immigration Department just need IELTS in general training, and that's the easiest to learn. Okay, so if you will get once you will sign the contract and after certain period of time, if you will get your PR visa, what kind of advantages you will get? First of all, if you will stay or work for 3.5 to 4 years in Canada, you will get the nationality. You will get the whole medical facilities free of cost. You will get free education for your children up to high school, and after high school your kids will start getting scholarship plans for the respective colleges. That's actually what you will get it is all the social and welfare rights what Canadian people have. That's why this visa is very prestigious and valuable. And today we will discuss more about this Express Entry program in immigration. Then we will discuss about fee structure as well. In the seminars we discount good offers, good discounters. Then the floor will be open for the question and answer part. Okay, sir will provide further information.
Any questions so far? Anybody knows how the immigration works in Canada especially? No one? So before was like a skilled worker category, which the Canadian government choose the people they want to come to Canada, like engineer, nurse, doctors. We had some limit for that. For example, we need 1,000 engineers. When we reached a cap, we closed that program. So they don't accept any files. Now the system is changed. Now we're going to express entry program, which everybody can apply. There is no limit. You go to the pool system, and from there, based on your file and profile and your presentation, your application, they choose you. So at the moment, this program is very fast, extremely fast. Before was, you have to wait minimum 2 years, up to 4 or 5 years to get your file reviewed. Now, at the moment, we can get it done within 6 months. Again, depend your profile. So, Canadian immigration program is changing all the time. At this time, it's fast and quick. If you decide to go, you have to do it the earliest possible. Any question? Okay. Now, in order to get your file registered with the government, we have a limited time. What you need, we need your education level or education, any university, certificate from university. You have to go show you're able to speak English, it's the IELTS exam, and work experience. These 3 criteria is very important. And later, your age. If your age is like above the 40, 45, it's difficult to get age point. So, I mean, when you're young at this time, you have to move on and do your application as early as possible. The whole processing, as I said, take like a minimum 6 months to 18 months to get your visa ready. When they accept your file, your profile, they send the invitation to apply. When we do that, within few months, they ask you to go for medical exam and police clearance and set the date to travel to Canada to activate your visa. This visa is permanent residency visa. It's not like here for 2 or 3 years residency. This is for life. You can keep your permanent residency. You can go to a school over there. The school is free. Healthcare is free. And after a certain time, when you stay in Canada, you're eligible to apply for citizenship, which is when you reach minimum 720 days in Canada, living in Canada, you're eligible for citizenship and you can apply for a Canadian passport. Okay? Any question?
Is it 720 days in all the provinces or in some selected?
Doesn't matter. 720 days in Canada.
Can you please give me details like how many points needed for, like if you can divide into age, experience, work, education, and sort of thing. What is the minimum points we required
See,
for
before,
entering into
yeah, before was a skilled worker category, which you get the point if you have experience, like a 3 years experience, 4 years experience, you get 10 points. Education level, you have a university degree, you have a high school degree, certificate, you got 10, 15 to 20 points. Now it's changed. This is a complete edition, forget the past. Now the system, as I said, express entry system, again, there is point, but it's not like before. Okay, they start like if you reach 450 points, you're eligible.
So what is the minimum points we require to get into the pool?
About 400.
No, first in express entry pool, like basic
About
requirement.
400.
basic requirement.
Based on requirement, your age,
Yeah,
education level,
right.
English language, the IELTS, what's your score, and work experience.
I may be wrong.
And if you have any family relative in Canada, you get more points.
I may be right or wrong, but I never heard that 67 points is the minimum required points with which
67 points is finished.
it's finished
Long time ago.
long time ago.
Yeah.
Because
That was like 2 years back.
Because I recently entered into the express entry pool. I'm already express entry pool right now. I'm looking for opportunity either province.
What's your score?
My score is 391.
Okay.
So I'm expecting.
You're in the limit.
Yeah, I'm expecting either the job acceptance or maybe province and non program and stuff. But I'm
Did
sure.
you register your name in the job bank?
Yes, I registered myself in the job bank and the work police as well, and
Mhm.
I'm trying hard to get a job. So that's why I'm more interested to know how you will assess to get a job, because obviously everyone can enter into the pool. But the
Everyone
difficult,
can do it, yes.
but the difficult part is you should get a job, then only you can reach to the minimum 457 points. Then
Yeah.
only you can.
No,
Yeah.
I tell you something.
Yeah.
You know, find a job in Canada is not easy.
Right.
It's very difficult. Especially when you are here. You are living outside Canada.
Right.
When the more important thing, how to get there in the first place. Don't look at, I have to get the job immediately now. It's very difficult. It's not easy. There is some company, they ask for huge amount of money to provide you with job offer letter. Like some company ask for 50, 60, to 100,000 dirhams for one letter, which is not true. It's very difficult to get the job offer letter since you are here. But when you get there, when you get to Canada, it's completely different story now. It's very easy to find a job.
No, my question is like how you guys can help me or maybe any of this
First of all,
for
we
getting a
help
job
you,
in Canada.
we facilitate for you. We are not employment agency.
Right.
We don't sell job.
Right.
Okay, but we facilitate. We have an associate in Canada, we just send your CV to them,
Right.
and there is different employer, has
So just
access.
market our CVs into the Canada recruitment companies or maybe some of the companies
Yeah.
that are located in Canada.
Yes, that's all we can do. We don't promise about any
No,
finding
no, I'm
any
just
job.
trying to head my round, so.
Getting job in Canada is very difficult. When, for example, one employer asks you, say, I need you,
Right.
okay? They send you invitation letter from the company. Doesn't have any value at all. This company has to contact Canadian Human Resources to get the approval from them. When Canadian Human Resources approve this company, which this company need you, so after they send you job offer letter to government.
So what is the minimum IELTS requirement which is need for this one? Minimum
You're
IELTS band.
single or married?
Consider I'm a single
Minimum 6.5
in each band.
in each band, yes, to get approved.
If married,
If married, you can get 6. Also, your wife should, take the IELTS to support the whole 5s.
Is it 6 in each band or the overall
No,
score?
each
Each.
band, yes. This is doable. I mean, don't worry about, go take an IELTS. Because when you go to Canada, you need to speak English. Before, it wasn't mandatory. And the people like you, the government accept to go there as a immigrant. When they get there, and they were searching for job, some of them, they never speak English. I had one client from China, never speak English, but he got to Canada somehow. And searching for job for like 10 years. And the government take a look at the numbers, wow, there is a huge number of new immigrants coming, newcomers coming to the country, but they never speak English. When they don't speak English, how you expect to find a job? who's gonna hire you. Now they change the system. Now they say no, ICE is mandatory.
Like the points now we are asking is not gone below 450, right? So
Age,
no, the points, the CRS points
yeah.
hasn't gone below 450, right? For the time being,
It's a 459 cutoff now.
cutoff is 450. So
459.
is there any chance for people on range of 400 at least? To
No,
get
there
it?
is, yes,
There is.
yes.
That is only through the province,
They-
or is it through the
No, they
federal?
plan to decrease this number very soon. Okay.
But at the moment it's not near to 400 anywhere, right? It's 450, I think. Is correct.
About 450.
So is there anyone who is applying by around 400 points? Is there any chance for them to get into
Well, it depends your qualification,
masters?
always. It depends. For example, if you get like a 400 like this gentleman.
Yeah, I have
very close to
407. I have 407.
So he has to improve by going to pass the ICE.
No, I got 7.5 in IELTS.
How much?
I got 7.5.
So you have to go higher. You have to go higher to increase your chance.
No, the question is anyone at the moment at 400? Is there any chance for them to get into
Yes,
selection?
yes.
There is.
Yes.
Even if the cutoff is 450.
Yes, yes. Yeah. See, all approval to get the visa depend to visa officer. Okay?
How many invitations?
Nothing is written on a stone.
How many invitations they are giving
many
every?
what?
How many invitations they are giving every month? Means how many? I
The
think there are 2 draws every
No,
month.
total they approve for 305,000 new immigrants
It's in 1 year.
within 1 year.
Yeah, so it's considerable. I think 3,000 in every month.
Yes, about, yes, at the moment. But I believe they're gonna increase it. Before was 285,000 people, now they increased to 305.
What is the difference between this Express Entry program and Federal Skill program? Because there's 2 type of programs are now going on. So
Yeah. Good.
yeah, please.
Yeah, you forget somewhere. I told you.
Right.
Federal Skilled Workers Program has been closed down. This is new program that has been launched in January 2015 and it's
Right.
been more than 1 year we have this Express
Express Entry one.
Yeah.
Right.
Tell me, yeah, start questions.
Skill road are already closed?
Yeah,
Skill road are already closed?
yeah, it's closed. It is closed in 2030.
At what stage do you require this ad present?
These are the secondary procedures, sir. Once you have to sign the contract with our respective organization, then after, in the 24 hours, you will get the checklist and our processing team will start proceeding your profile and start coordinating and guiding you people. And in the checklist, you will get to know that what are the documents we require to launch your profile. And we will start our work. Then after, there are several other procedures. That is ECA, Educational Credential Assessment. For that, you need to go for this respective World Education Service. They compare the Canadian standard of education to the foreign standard. That your bachelor's degree is equivalent to bachelor's, your bachelor's degree is equivalent to diploma or what? Or that is genuine or not. So there are several other procedures. Leave it to us.
You said like each country has given some quota kind of thing, right?
Quota.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
So we have a quota of around 305,000 immigrants they want from overall from different parts of the world.
yeah, great. Actually, I'm from India. Now I'm staying in UAE. So my application will be considered as an Indian from India or like from UAE.
You are working here in UAE, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
So you have an experience of UAE.
Yes.
So we will launch your profile, it will hit from UAE.
That's what it is.
Okay, more questions?
How much bank account balance needed or?
Very good question. So you are single? Okay. So we need at least 15,000 Canadian dollars either in the shape of fixed asset, if you have any apartment, land, or some cash in your bank statement. We will analyze whole thing, your land, property, or your cash part, and we will submit to the Immigration Department of Canada.
Excuse me, you told about the property, right?
Yeah.
The property should be like,
In your home country, ma'am.
okay.
Yeah,
Doesn't
more
matter,
questions?
anywhere,
Doesn't matter, yeah.
anywhere.
Anyway,
You know, as far as you have a title deed in your name, anywhere.
you can show both, no? Even we will take your car papers. We have to analyze the value of your funds.
About if married, how much?
24,000 Canadian dollars as a fixed asset or some cash part. You can show both. It will give good impact to the immigration officer of Canada.
So will you give initial-
If, for example, I deposit in my bank, one
Sorry?
time, is it paid?
At least you need to show, once we will get the invitation after 6 to 9 months, just show your bank statement of past 3 months so that it will give good impact to the immigration officer to Canada. Yeah. 15,000, it's around 30-40,000 dirhams.
No, but in the
$15,000.
Dollars, Canadian dollars.
If, for example, I don't have that money,
You have fixed asset, land, property, something.
if I don't have also, how is it?
You need to arrange some funds.
You have to prove it. You can.
Excuse me?
At least you have
one year.
At least you can sustain your 1 month in Canada because they know after 10 days, 15 days or 20 days you will start getting invitations for the interviews from different job profiles, from different corporates, industries and companies. So they want to know at least you can sustain your livelihood for 1 month.
For the properties, do you have limit, like, how much the property costs?
Doesn't matter. We just need 15,000 Canadian dollars. That's it. If you have more, good. It's good for you. Be attentive, sir.
A piece of land back home in India or anywhere else
Anything.
is valuable of this much money.
Understand the scenario. So please attempt it, please guys. Okay. What is your question?
Like maybe I might be having a land back home in India. Okay, it might be like 200 or 300,000 Indian rupees. So how would they analyze that this is this much worth?
You need to see that you have any property, land or funds. At least 15,000. We will analyze the whole value of your funds.
You should make an evaluation through third party company.
Okay, more questions?
Third party company also will do it.
Yeah, of course.
Because the government language is good to evaluate.
No, you can go through the third party company. Anybody can evaluate your property.
Okay. If the
For example, if the property, you have a loan, and the property also bank can make this evaluation.
This police clearance, it is from UAE or from back home?
Once we will get the invitation on behalf of you from the Canadian government side, then in the 45 to 60 days we need to submit your police clearance and medical from where you are working and from your home country.
both.
But there is no need to visit your home country, just go to the embassy.
Is there any time limit you should stay out of country, like, sir? Suppose if I stayed in UK maybe 5 years or 4 years, or maybe in UAE just 2 months, so I need to get the police clearance from UAE answer.
At least you are working here,
No,
so
no.
you need to have your police clearance.
So even if I stay 2 months?
Yeah,
No problem.
even if we went for
you
a
will
visit,
get it, don't worry about that.
what if we went for a visit to a country? Is that just a visit to a country and came back just for a vacation to maybe a week or just so? Do we need a?
No, if you work somewhere down the line in any part of the world, then we need the police clearance.
Only then.
Only, yeah. If you
Don't need
visit,
to go to your home country, just go to the embassy.
embassy.
Embassy of your home country and where you worked.
Okay, I can get information, but from my embassy, it will take like 6 months.
From where you are.
Egypt.
Just go to the embassy, sir. We have lot of Egyptian
Embassy-
guys.
embassy-
We are getting the police clearance in just 15
6
days.
months to renew the passport. 6 months to
We
renew
have
the.
lot of numbers from Egyptians, sir. What you are talking about? They are getting the police clearance in just 15 to 20 days.
Better to Egypt.
Update your information. Okay. More questions?
If the property is more than 50,000 Canada, this is better.
Told you, the better you have, it will boost your profile.
Okay, so you said it takes generally 6 to 10 months, right? Suppose like after 10 months, still if it is nothing here happening, it's been rejected or something like.
We have a contract of 1 year, sir.
Okay.
Suppose on the rare side, if you will
Yeah.
get the rejection,
Correct.
we have a contract of 1 year. We cannot pull your means, we cannot down your age, we cannot increase your education, we cannot
Right, that's
increase your
correct.
job profile.
I just wanted
But
to
what
know
we
that-
can do for you,
Uh,
if you are lacking in your IELTS, we will stay. Just go to for the second attempt. Then we will start, means we will again hit your profile.
Okay, again it will be like
Yeah.
retry kind of.
Even we respect our clients. If the contract is deactivated after 1 year, you can renew.
Okay. But
And
in the same
there is no need to give full amount. There is just partial amount.
So there is no refund in case if someone, if one gets rejected, there is no refund.
Sir, we are doing our work. Okay, what you are thinking? It's a simple procedure. It's a very complicated procedure. So we are doing our work. We are launching your profile. We will put your profile in an efficient manner. We will put your profile in a best scenario. Then after we are giving post-study services as well, we will start circulating your CVs to our contacts. You can get your job offer as well. It will increase your profile and get the invitation for you. More questions?
What is adaptability?
Sorry.
Adaptability, it's mentioned in the website.
Adaptability means, sir?
It's mentioned in the website.
If you have any relative in Canada, or you have a work experience in Canada, this is also count on your score.
Relative or friends kind of.
No, close relative.
Blood relation.
First
Not
blood
friends.
relation. First blood relation in Manitoba only.
They should have a permanent residency.
Money is more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, more questions? Tell me, away.
Question?
Can you tell me about the points, what are the standards of points and how they calculate the points? And what are the total points?
I told you, sir. Now there is no more pointing system. It's a ranking system. Previously, if we are calculating 67 points. That doesn't mean you will get the PR. That means you are eligible to launch your profile for the application. Here, the government has given criteria: your age bracket, education, job profile, experience, and the best result of your RX. Then after, the Canadian government will give you the proper ranking system. We are not the concerned person to provide the exact ranking system. Even we are calculating, we are getting different ranking system.
But which all provinces are open at the moment?
There is a standard, but it's a ranking system. It's not a pointing system anymore.
Which all provinces are open at the moment for invitation?
If you will be in express entry, your profile is accessible for the whole provinces except Quebec.
Okay, but if you go for the provincial nomination,
You can go for Prince Edward
Manitoba is open now.
and Manitoba for the if you have first blood relation, and New Brunswick.
I mean, like for province, for Ontario and all.
First of all, you have to be in the express entry profile. Then after we can launch your PNP program.
Okay, but which states are open for PNP now?
Prince Edward, Manitoba, and New Edwards.
Ontario is closed?
No, we can start your PNP program after launching your profile in the express entry.
Okay.
We have to run the whole profile, means express entry and PNP parallelly.
At the moment, PNP program is on hold.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking. Ontario was closed lately, that's why
All of them is on hold.
on hold.
Can you repeat again? It's Prince Edward, Manitoba and?
New
New
Brunswick,
Brunswick.
Manitoba.
Do you have
and
any
Prince
idea
Edward.
of when it will restart?
No.
Because other than Ontario, all the provinces are taking very small amount of applications. So,
Yeah, nobody knows. Because we have to wait. As I said, immigration processing changing all the time. At the moment, it's on hold for a few months.
What is required to launch the website for this time? What is required?
Sorry,
Requirement.
requirement
Yeah.
to start your application.
Yeah.
Simple, your age bracket 18 to 44, education, then job profile, at least 1 year.
Education, I have to get the transcript from Egypt.
Just you need to contact your prospective university in your home country. You can send one authorization letter to your family member. They can collect on behalf of you attested mark sheet in a sealed envelope. Then they can send it by you with courier.
Okay.
Then you need to submit to us. We will submit on behalf of you to the VAS.
how much time does it take for the procedure for WS to give it back?
It is a procedure of just 2 to 3 weeks. We will contact VAS and you need to contact your university because you have to contact your university. This is illegal if I will contact on behalf of you.
If our application already tested by our Ministry of Education.
No, just from your university.
No, say if my degree is tested from the UAE.
It's not accepted.
Doesn't matter.
No need to go
No, it's not acceptable.
from the university.
We have to send it to Canada for QAnon to Canadian Islam. So there is organization like a world education system. They have
You can
to,
meet us after that.
From the university.
You can meet us after that. I'll tell you.
Okay, passport and certificate, original,
We just need your scan copy, sir. We don't need any original copy.
okay.